At first we switch on the machine. Then we regulate the entrance of the machine based on the size of paper. The side brackets are for putting the paper in its correct size with this rod. Blowers are to blow some air on leave the paper. The detector of double paper is not to pass more than on sheet. Heads are to regulate the edge and position of paper. With the plus roller. And then put it in the machine. Switch feeders are to take the paper. The chest width is to push paper so whole paper enters correctly.
In the left of the machine we have some crank, handle and rod. This wheel is to regulate the filler. This handle is to regulate the height of the paper tray. This is wheel to regulate the distance of the flaps. This wheel is to regulate the inclination of the suction feeders. This wheel is to regulate the air of the blowers. This wheel is to regulate the height of the blowers. This lever is to put or kit ink taker, and this is to wet the plate. This lever is to luter ink, and this is the main lever.
Then we prepare the exit. We put one paper in the center of the table. With this wheel we can regulate the brackets. With this handle, we can regulate the back breakers. Once done, we pass in white. This is pass the paper to see that all goes well. We have to stop the first sheet in the center of the entrance to see that the chest guide was well filled.
With this tool we can measure the thickness of paper.
Are your hands shaking? Are your fists breaking? Are you climbing over?
After that, in the exit we have to put the thickness of the paper in the pressure roller to regulate the pressure. All the settings have to start from zero.
Are you afraid to fall? Don't look down. This high will never hit the ground. Don't look
To put the plate we have to do some steps. Relate to the clamp.
Don't look
Put the flaps. F. Take away the pressures. Put the plate.
¿Cómo fue que se marchó sin darme cuenta? ¿Cómo fue que me dejó promesas sueltas? Me creí mejor con él, me hizo ser la que soñé y en un segundo se acabó. Y ahora vuelvo a ser quien era ayer. Nadie, solo alguien del revés. Y ahora sé que ya no contarás lunares en mi espalda. Sé que ya no escribirás te quiero en mi.
Remove the flowers.
Y vuelvo a ser la rara.
Put the pressure.
Nunca fui muy popular, no tuve estrella.
And tighten the clamp.
Poner mi mundo en pie y en un segundo se rompió. Y ahora vuelvo a ser quien era ayer.
All the palette as if it was damaged.
Y ahora sé que ya no contarás lunares en mi espalda. Sé que ya no escribirás
Impregnate the dagger with
ventana. Y sé
trident in the ink roller homogeneous. with the lower bolt of the inkers, regulate the ink profile in relation to the shelf.
Que todo se me fue y vuelvo a ser la tarada.
Print 10 sheets to see that its prints are correctly.
Puede que ni sepa amar.
Then print again. Check whether the print fits the suite.
Con mis noches sin mi sol.
Make the profile that was moved this bolt to put more or less ink once.
Que ya no contarás lunares.
Making the roll.